Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 3rd November 2020. I am teaching you chapter number 17. And name of the chapter is The Earth and Sky. The Earth and Sky. So, student, we have completed the chapter. So, let do recapitulation in this chapter what things we have studied, and after that I will explain you things to remember. So student, in this chapter we study about our planet Earth, what type of a physical division present on our planet, and we are living on the surface of the Earth. And planets do not have their own light. So student, we study about atmosphere also. The earth is surrounded by a layer of a air that is known as its atmosphere. After that we study the distance of our planet earth from the sun. So the distance of earth from the sun is, right student, if it is very close, then due to the heat of the sun life is not possible. And if the distance is more, then the temperature on the surface of earth is very cold temperature, then also life is not possible. So earth is at a right distance from the sun. After that we study what is solar system, the sun, 8 planets and their natural satellites, so is known as solar system. After that we discuss what is the importance of sun. So due to the sunlight, plants prepare their own food, and due to the heat of the sun, the process of water cycle is possible on our planet earth. Another important thing is that we are getting natural light and heat from the sun, because we are not paying any money for that. Next we study what are planets. Planets are heavenly bodies in the space, but they don't have their own light. They move around the sun. And what is sun? Sun is a star made up of burning gases, due to which we get the light of the sun also and heat of the sun also. And after that we discuss time taken by the sunlight to come on the surface of earth, that is 8 minutes. Then we discuss which is the largest planet of the solar system. So the largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter, and which is the smallest planet of the solar system, that is Mercury. And how many planets are there? 8. And after that we discuss the position of this planet from the sun, and what is the position of our planet earth from the sun is third, which is the furthest planet, सबसे दूर. विच इज द फर्देस्ट प्लेनेट मतलब जिसका डिस्टेंस सबसे ज्यादा है किससे? सन से. सो द नेम ऑफ दैट प्लेनेट इज नेपट्यून. आफ्टर दैट वी डिस्कस अबाउट मून. व्हाट इज मून? मून इज अ natural satellite of our planet earth, and it moves around the earth. So the moon is between, because earth is taking the round of a sun and moon is taking the round of a earth. So what does it means? It means moon is between the sun and earth. That is the reason we discuss about different phases of the moon. So due to this we are able to see only that part of the moon which is lit by the sun. जहां पे सन की लाइट पड़ती है स्टूडेंट्स, हम मून का वही पोर्शन देख पाते हैं. इसलिए हमें लगता है कि मून की अलग अलग शेप्स हैं, डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ मून, इसलिए हमें ऐसा लगता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो इट शाइन्स ड्यू टू बिकॉज मून reflect the light of the sun. That is the reason moon shine. After that we discuss more than half lit moon is called it a gibbous moon. Gibbous moon. More than half. More than half. More than half moon is known as gibbous moon, while less than half, less than half is known as crescent moon. Less than half is known as crescent. And there is no air or water on the surface of a moon, and the full moon is known as Purnima. Underline it in your book also. Many times this question asked in the examination in one word. What was the name of the full moon? That is Purnima. So student, after that we discuss star constellations. So in the space, what happens in the night? In the clear night, you see lot of stars in the sky. So this group of star forms some pattern, and this is known as star constellation. This is known as star constellation. So these are the things we study in this chapter. Now today, open page number 94. Let read things to remember. See student, these are very important point. After once the explanation of the chapter is completed, please read this time 1 or 2 times. This is a complete summary of the chapter. When you read these points, things to remember, and you are able to understand this point, it means your all concept or all the topics which your teacher or you cover in this chapter, all the topics are clear to you. So one by one, let's discuss. The first point is the vast space all around the earth is called the universe. All heavenly bodies such as stars and planets are part of a universe. So the vast space all around the earth, that is the universe, and billions of stars are in the universe. ठीक है, planets भी हैं, stars भी हैं. So this is known as universe. So ये ऑलरेडी मैंने उस समय भी आपसे डिस्कस किया था. व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टार, इज द सन इज द ओनली स्टार इन द यूनिवर्स? नो, देयर आर बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स इन द यूनिवर्स. बट स्टूडेंट, मिलियंस ऑफ स्टार यूनिवर्स में हैं, बट दे आर, दीज मिलियंस ऑफ स्टार आर वेरी फार अवे from our planet Earth. So that is the reason their light is not coming on the surface of Earth, and Sun is the closest star to our solar system, in which we having 8 planets and natural satellites of these planets. So student, that is the reason we are getting the heat and light, because already I explained you, planets do not have their own lights. Planets do not have their own light. So sun star is close to our solar system, and that is the reason what we are getting from this star. We are getting heat and light from the star, because sun is made of burning gases which produce heat and light. जब भी आप कोई चीज जलाते हो तो देखते हो बेटा उसमें से लाइट निकलती है, या तो आप कैंडल ही जलाओगे. अभी आपका आ रहा है फेस्टिवल दीपावली. तो उस जब भी कोई चीज जलती है आप देखते हो ना, उसमें से फ्लेम में से लगता है ना कि लाइट आ रही है. सो इन द सेम मैनर वी गेट हीट एंड लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. नेक्स्ट है, प्लैनेट्स आर राउंड इन शेप, दे मूव अराउंड द सन. यस, प्लैनेट्स आर राउंड इन शेप, स्पेरिकल शेप आप बोल सकते हो. ठीक है, दे आर राउंड. बहुत से ऑब्जेक्ट होंगे जो आपने अपने घर में भी या अपने स्कूल्स में या अदर नेबरहुड प्लेसेस में ऑब्जर्व किए होंगे, जिनकी शेप क्या है? राउंड है. जिनकी शेप क्या है बेटा? राउंड है. सो ये प्लैनेट्स कैसे हैं? दे ऑल आर ऑफ राउंड शेप. And another thing is that all these planets move around the sun. ये जितने भी planets हैं, they move around the sun. So now next, the earth is a unique planet because life exists here. Next point is why we say earth is a unique planet. See student, earth is known as a unique planet. Reason is that there are 8 planets in the solar system. But do you know student, our planet is the only planet where life is possible. So what are the conditions required for the life? All is present on the planet earth. That is also, our planet is known as a unique planet. The moon, next point, the moon is the earth closest neighbor. It moves around the earth. Yes, just we discuss. Moon is a natural satellite of earth. So earth is taking a moving around the sun, and this movement is known as revolution. This movement is known as revolution. In the same manner, moon is moving around the earth, and due to this movement, क्योंकि बेटा मैंने आप लोग को बताया था अर्थ अपने एक्सिस पे रोटेशन करती है. जैसे आप लोग छोटे हो, कभी वो लट्टू नचाया है, उसमें एक नेल लगी होती है कि उसको जब आप घुमा के फेंकते हो तो वो राउंड 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 अपने एक्सिस पे टर्न लेता है. सो इन द सेम मैनर earth is also rotating on its axis and also it taking the round of the sun. So due to the rotation of the earth, day and night form. आप एक टॉर्च ले लो, बॉल के सामने टॉर्च करो. So the portion which is front the torch, there you will see the light, and behind portion is dark, that is night. So in the same manner, earth, moon is between the earth and sun because it is taking round of the earth. So we are unable to see the moon all the time. We see different phases of moon. Only one time we see a full moon, that we say Purnima. Other times what happen? The light which fall on the surface of the moon, only that part of the moon is visible to us, because moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. Okay, I hope you understand. The moon has different phases that just now I discussed with you. The light fall on the surface of a moon, only that portion is visible to us. That is the reason we think that all the time moon changes shapes. Sometime half, more than half, then full, then again less than full, more than half, half, less than half, and once upon a time also come when moon is not visible in the sky. So what happened? So when the moon is also moving around the earth, एंड व्हेन द मून इज बिहाइंड द अर्थ, राउंड लेते लेते जब वो अर्थ के पीछे चला जाएगा तो सनलाइट नहीं ना जाएगी बेटा वहां, क्योंकि अर्थ का जो साइज है वो क्या है, मून से बड़ा है। ठीक है। सो आफ्टर 14 days we are not able to see the moon. Moon is not visible because it is behind the earth and it do not get the light of the sun. This is the reason. Next, star form patterns in the sky called it constellation. See student, there are millions of stars in the universe, and in the clear night we are able to see them. So we see star with the help of a telescope. Okay, we see star with the help of a telescope. So when we observe the stars in the with the help of a telescope, then what we find? We find there are groups of stars. जैसे आप ही फील्ड में आप लोग को बॉक्सेस में कुछ खड़ा कर दिया जाए, कुछ बच्चों को फ्रंट में, कुछ को बैक में, साइड में, राइट में, और आप ऊपर से देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो तो कोई ना कोई एक पैटर्न बन जाता है। बहुत से एनुअल फंक्शन और एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स में आप लोग डिफरेंट पीटीज करते हो। सो इन द फॉर्म यू आर परफॉर्मिंग और इन द फॉर्म यू आर स्टैंडिंग, एक अलग सा पैटर्न बन जाता है। इन द सेम मैनर स्टार्स अपने से नहीं डिसाइड कर रहे हैं, दे आर इन द यूनिवर्स। सो व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व देम विद द टेलीस्कोप, सो वी फाइंड दैट these groups of star form some pattern, और उसको हम लोग किसी से क्या कर रहे हैं, कंपेयर कर रहे हैं। तो that pattern is known as constellation. Is it clear? Now student, let's start with the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A, tick the correct answer. So page number 94, take out your book because you have to complete the book exercises in the book, and in a classwork copy we will write question answer of the chapter and we will draw diagram of the chapter. So take your pencil and note down the answer in your book exercises in your book. So question number A, tick the correct answer. Question number A, tick the correct answer. We have to tick the correct First question is, it is a huge ball of fire. Question number 1, it is a huge ball of fire. Option number A, Venus. Option number B, Sun. Option number C, Moon. So question is huge ball of fire. So it means that thing is made of a burning gases, huge ball of fire. So let's discuss about Venus. What is Venus? Venus is one of the planet in our solar system. Out of 8, this is one of the planet of the solar system. So student, as I explained you earlier also, the planets do not have their own light. So ball of fire, so it does not have light, planet. So this is answer. No, this is not a right answer. What is moon? Moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It moves around the earth. And when I explained you about different phases of moon, this is due to what? We are able to see that part of the moon on which sunlight falls, and moon reflect the sunlight, so only we see that part of the moon. It means that moon does not have, moon do not have its own light. It reflects the sunlight. So option number C is also wrong answer. Now see option number B. Yes, sun. Do you remember I explained you the sun is made of burning gases. That is the reason we are getting heat and light from the sun. So student, sun is the right answer. Next, note down. Second, the family of the sun is called it the family of sun is called it, the family of sun is called it the option number A, solar system. Option number B, planets. Option number C, galaxy. So student, the family of a sun is called it. It means we are talking about sun and the heavenly bodies which are taking round of this star, that is sun. You know, planet cannot be a right answer. The family of sun is called it the planet. So planet is not a star. Planet is not a star. It does not have its own light. Is it clear? और when we are talking about the galaxy, galaxy में तो बहुत से stars हैं. गैलेक्सी में तो बहुत स्टार हैं. There are many stars. So what is the right answer? Right answer is solar system. This is a sun family, because in this family, sun, what are the member of the sun family? That is sun, 8 planets and their natural satellite. So it is as the family of sun is because all these 8 planets, they are moving around the star that is known as sun. Name of the star is sun. So that is the reason the sun and its other members, that is 8 planets and their natural satellites, forms the solar system. Okay, thank you student.